When it comes to electric car safety, make sure you have the right vehicle. An electric car is much quieter than a conventional gas-powered vehicle, which is a concern for many drivers. People can't hear an advancing electric car as easily as they can a gas-guzzling car, which makes it harder for pedestrians to avoid being struck by an electric car. Running out of charge is one of the biggest challenges for new drivers will face. A lot of people are used to driving gas-powered cars, so when they are close to they would find the nearest gas station and resolve their issue. Unfortunately, with an electric car as of right now, this can present a unique problem. There aren't a lot of charging stations like there are gas stations. If you look, you are more than likely to find a gas station every couple of blocks and sometimes one across the street from another. This isn't going to be the case with electric charging stations. But QA's electric cars are just starting to gain momentum. The charging stations will need to catch up as well. This means making sure you are charged properly will be essential to not getting stranded. Also, a changed mindset for some will be needed. As with gas-powered cars, some individuals like to drive with the tank on E. This cannot be done with electric-powered cars. You will risk being stranded often with this mindset. You will need to adopt a mindset of responsibility if you want to drive an electric-powered car until electric charging stations are as plentiful as gas stations are. When you aren't charging your vehicle, make sure all charging components are out of reach of children. Just as you need to make sure your electric sockets are secured from children, you will need to do the same when not charging your electric car. The components with charging an electric car are just as dangerous to those that are not properly trained how to use them. In addition, not using damaged electric charging equipment is also key. A lot of individuals use broken or damaged phone chargers. Just as your phone charger can be damaged, so can the charger for an electric car. If your charger is ever damaged, immediately stop usage and replace it with a new fully operational charger. Now that you know how to drive an electric car safely, if you haven't already purchased your electric car, do so on Top New Motorcycles. Top New Motorcycles has electric cars that you can view in 3D and augmented reality. In addition, you can also read reviews from previous buyers. As an added bonus, U.S. citizens can get unsecured funding for their vehicles. Visit topnewmotorcycles.com today and start shopping for your new electric car today.